Hello everyone, welcome to Brilliant Kuwait. Today we are going to solve a question that comes under quadratic equation. So the question is, the sum of the squares of all roots of the equation x square plus 2x minus 3 under the modulus minus 4 is equal to 0. Here we have modulus function. So 2x minus 3, when we open it, when x is greater than or equal to 3 by 2, we have to open it with a positive sign, that is 2x minus 3. If x is less than 3 by 2, then it will be negative, that is minus of 2x minus 3. So we have two conditions here. So when x is greater than or equal to 3 by 2, so our equation will become x square plus 2x minus 3 minus 4 is equal to 0. That is x square plus 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. So here the solution, the roots will become x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 2 root 2. So here we can say the roots are minus 1 plus 2 root 2 and minus 1 minus 2 root 2. The condition is x is greater than 3 by 2. So this root, it is both negative, so this will be less than 3 by 2, so this will not apply. So the solution is minus 1 plus 2 root 2. So going to the next condition, that is x less than 3 by 2. So the equation will become x square minus 2x plus 3 minus 4 is equal to 0. That is x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here again, the solution x becomes the root of the equation will become 1 plus or minus root 2. That is 1 plus root 2 or 1 minus root 2. So here again, when you check the condition, x is less than 3 by 2. So this will be greater than 3 by 2. So our answer is 1 minus root 2. So the question asked is sum of squares of the root, that is equal to minus 1 plus 2 root 2 the whole square plus 1 minus root 2 the whole square. This will be 12 minus 6 root 2, that is equal to 6 into 2 minus root 2. So our answer is option number 3.